Hey guys, my name is Nogan and welcome to my Java series. Hope you guys doing good. So in today's video, we're going to be focusing on just having like a short, not too long session. We'll just try to understand what's a scanner class in Java. So if you guys didn't watch the previous video, we focus on um, how to use type conversions. What about, I guess forgot what the video's title was called, but like it was type conversions. um, yeah, using operators and also type conversions. Yeah, so the video was like basically about that. Go and check it out because I'll leave a card on top there. We just focus on trying to use like operators eventually, or like trying to understand operators in Java, and we'll be trying to build upon that content eventually or video, because we'll use those operators now with if statements, while loops, for loops in upcoming videos, and also in classes like array classes, array lists, and so forth and so on. So let me jump to the IDE NetBeans here. I just make a new project. Okay, I choose Java with ANT for Java application. I'll click on next. Okay, I'm gonna call this project scanner. Let's say scan example. Awesome. Okay, so we have an empty project now here. Let's close this one here. Awesome. Okay, let me just move this. Okay, so before we continue, let me just remove this comments here because just like in a way. Okay, so let's first define what is a scanner, or what does scanner mean by definition. Now in Java, the scanner class is used to read input from various sources, such as like consoles, files, strings, and so forth. Now it provides a method to parse like almost like a primitive type and also strings. So this scanner class is part of the Java utility package. So we need to import a package right now before you can use the scanner class. So how do you do that? Now, if you see on top here in line 5 here, we have something called the package. A package is a keyword that defines now a library, which means this is a package. Right now, we'll also try to include now a library or a package here. Um, when if you have to use a keyword import to import any package libraries now that have been like external libraries. Means you say import keyword, then say Java dot util for utility dot again scanner, because we're going to use a scanner class eventually, and semicolons. Okay, so which means this import keyword allows us now to import any libraries that are built into the Java packages, of course, as you can see here. But now Java has a lot of packages. That's why you're seeing you have to specify in which package you want to be. For example, if you say import, after you use the Java word, the dot needs to specify, because it can be in these are now packages here. A lot of packages that it contain now, of course, implementations of libraries being used in Java. Okay, so after this, now in the main function here, we have to have a few variables. So I'm first going to say I'm going to use now the scanner class, which means the scanner class, and now I'll give this object also scanner. You can just name this the scanner object here like any name. You can also say input. It's also the same thing. Even if you say input, it's going to be fine also. So after this, I'm saying new scanner. Then I'll say system dot in. Okay, now let's just first discuss about the line of code here. This scanner, of course, as you can see, is a class data type. Now the class data type is scanner, which means this import now becomes the object of this class. Now the new scanner takes now eventually here is a form of a constructor, as you can see here, which means this takes now in a input. Now the system.in specifies now an input, which means the system.in becomes now a package, almost like an extension, but say now it's just a class extension of input values, as you can see here. So after this, I'm going to say is system out dot print line. I'll just say here enter your name. So just have like a few string inputs. I'm gonna see after this now string. I'll name the name of the variables. I mean, it's called name, and also I'm gonna say goes to scanner now because now using this object called input will be now input dot, which means now we have to find out the class extension, which means the function that allows us eventually now to use that scanner or variable, which means it will be next line. So next line is eventually a built-in function, which means building into this scanner import Java file here, because why? The scanner has its own built-in functions. Now one of those functions are the next line. This next line eventually focus on string inputs, as we'll see in a moment. So after this, I'm gonna just say again system.out print line again. Print line, sorry about that. So now here I'll just say enter, because now enter your age. Just like a few examples and stuff here also. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna say also now here and say int again age, the variable name. Then I'm gonna just say here again input. Whenever you have to remember, when you have to include input, like you have to include some input or try to assign this thing input from the user end point of view, you have to also use the object that you declared from the scanner class, and also specify now its function type. For example, here input, because now it's age, here it will be now a next int, as you can see here, this one. Also because y is an integer, which means it has to take an integer input for this age of type int, as you can see here. I'm gonna say again system out again, print line. Now say hello. Name. Age here. Okay, yes. Oh, awesome. Now I'm gonna say this because now using it here, I'm gonna say input close. Awesome. Okay, so basically we have a few things here, as you can see. So we are eventually using the scanner class as a means of input, where now the user has an input eventually his name, is also age, and this will be the output eventually of those use cases. Now if we just can you build this on top here? Awesome. Let me run this. Awesome. As you can see now, enter your name. So let's say the name is going to be Nogan. Age will be, say, 24. Okay, awesome. So hello Nogan, you are 24 years old. Awesome. So this is just like a basic statement here by which means you have to enter your name here and also enter age, of course. You know that this is just like a basic use case of how scans can be used eventually from this point of view here. Awesome. So guys, this is just like a very fast and short sweet video about scanner class. Now in the next video, we'll be focusing on building upon this content more, because why? In this video, I don't want to go too deep and also in long content, but now in the upcoming videos, we're going to be focusing on more advanced topics in Java, and also using the scanner class, one of those tools and stuff you can use eventually. Once again, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like also, and thank you for watching.